You will love the features of this 2021 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, 4-cylinder engine, remote engine start, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.